Have you ever watched a baking soda and vinegar eruption and wondered what's really happening? It's not just a fun science experiment, it's a fascinating chemical reaction that showcases the wonders of chemistry in our everyday lives. Today, let's dive into this bubbly phenomenon and uncover the science behind it. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a common household item, often used in cooking and cleaning. When it comes into contact with vinegar, which is acetic acid diluted in water, an exciting reaction occurs. This reaction produces carbon dioxide gas, which is what creates those delightful bubbles and eruptions we see. So what exactly happens during this reaction? When baking soda is mixed with vinegar, the acetic acid reacts with the sodium bicarbonate, breaking it down into sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide gas forms bubbles, and as these bubbles accumulate, they create pressure that leads to an eruption. This is why you see that foamy overflow in your volcano experiments or DIY science projects. Now, let's explore a few interesting points about this reaction. First, the reaction is a classic example of an acid-base reaction. The vinegar acts as the acid and the baking soda serves as the base. This type of reaction is fundamental in chemistry, demonstrating how acids and bases interact to produce new substances. Second, the carbon dioxide produced is the same gas that makes carbonated beverages fizzy. This means that every time you pop open a soda, you're experiencing a similar reaction, albeit in a more controlled and contained environment. Third, this eruption experiment is not just a fun activity for kids. It has practical applications in various fields. For instance, understanding gas production and reactions can help in baking, where carbon dioxide helps dough rise, or in environmental science, where gas emissions are studied. Finally, if you're curious about enhancing your eruption experience, try adding food coloring to the vinegar before mixing it with baking soda. This simple addition can create a visually stunning eruption that's both educational and entertaining. In summary, the chemistry of baking soda and vinegar eruptions is a delightful blend of science and fun. By mixing these two common household items, we witness a fascinating acid-base reaction that produces carbon dioxide gas, leading to those exciting eruptions. Whether you're conducting a science experiment or just enjoying a fizzy drink, you're witnessing the beauty of chemistry in action.